Looking back at 2020, it was obviously dominated by COVID. Bali's been really impacted by COVID, not really because of the virus, but just because of the economy. Economy here is probably 80% tourism, and I don't know, maybe half of those businesses are gone. And coming back for those businesses is going to be really challenging. I think people are going to start coming back for tourism, but it's going to be really, really challenging for them. And moving forward for Bali, I think this is a time to start investing in different things, you know, manufacturing, arts, those kind of things I think can work here. Regarding work, I work in IT and I'm 100% remote worker. So if anything, COVID kind of helped me. Before I was just, you know, working remotely and everybody else is in an office, but now everybody works remotely. So it kind of helped me if anything. The 2020 presidential election has come and gone. It's depressing to see the United States acting in this manner where people choose what they think is the truth and they choose the information that they get. And moving forward, it's just scary because before it seemed the fact was a fact, and when something was the truth, it was the truth, but it just doesn't seem like that anymore. And if anything, it's scary. Working on Riding Garuda has been a great experience. We have a website where we're adding all the clips that we film from the drone photography, and we are doing stories with surfers in Bali, which we are uploading to social media. So upcoming 2021, I'm really excited to see the stories from people who are surfing here and living here or traveling here. Very excited about that.
So this year, 2020, I took it as a let's see what happened year. Let's see, I was like in standby situation, business stopped. Not all of them stopped. I was lucky that I still have a little bit of business, but I have to live from my savings, which we decide to live in a low level and don't spend so much. Was a good year because you have time more for family, you have time for relaxing, more surfing. I hope it's going to finish, I think it's going to finish soon, this COVID situation, and all the tourism come back to Bali. If not, it's going to start to be a little bit scary because the money is finishing, and then we have to find other solutions. But for the moment, we are in standby, and let's see what happens.
So 2020, super interesting year. Actually, I wanted to go home, had my world trip ending in about March, and suddenly Corona happened, and instead of going home and taking the plane, we're stuck on Mazukud Island in the Mentawai, super empty waves, 4 months there, but island life is also crazy. Trouble in paradise, all this drama. In August, then we had to go and get our visa situation sorted out. And the best place to do that is Bali, so we all ended up here to see how it goes. The whole next year is going to be amazing about it, so there's not going to be any time to surf, and 2020 is still not, Indonesia is still not open, so empty waves. Looking forward to the end of the year, the next swell is like, whoa.
You know, the beautiful thing about 2020 is it's been a real opportunity for a lot of self-growth and for a lot of people to dive into what they're passionate about and make that decision. Have I been doing what I like with my life? Have I been putting my time in the right place, or have I just been getting by? And for me, that question is something that I'm thrumming through every day. How have I been spending my time? I think 2021 is going to be an amazing year, and I'm totally excited to start my year off here in Uluwatu, Bali, Indonesia.
"2020 has been a bad and difficult year for me, or maybe for everyone. Apart from COVID-19, there are also several other things that happened to me. COVID-19 has paralyzed the economy and tourism in Bali, Indonesia, and also the world. Many hotel, office, and business has to be closed, and the crime going to be increases. Luckily, I still have a job in this third project as a drone pilot and editor. This is like a little bit dream come true because when I was a child, I dreamed of become a pilot, but now I become a drone operator. I hope in 2021 Corona will be disappear and life will return to normal again.